So she wakes up in time to break down. She left a note up on the dresser and she's right on time. You don't know anything, right or wrong. I said I know, and she said so. I wanna panic but I've had it, so I go. You don't know anything to anyone, but don't take your life, 'cause it's all that you've got. You'd be better off just up and leaving if you don't think they will stop. And when you wake up, everything's gonna be fine. I guarantee that you wake in a better place and in a better time. So you're tired of living, you feel like you might give in. Well, don't. It's not your time. Paper today, looking for a specific page. Don't wanna find her full name followed by dates, 'cause when I left her alone, she made it sound like a moan. You're known by everyone for everything you've done. Buying flowers for grapes, I'd rather buy you a one-way non-stop. Do anywhere, find anyone, do anything, forget and start again. Love, she says she won't go. It hurts too much to stand by. You've gotta stop and draw a line. Everyone here has to choose a side. Tonight, the moment of truth is haunting you. Don't forget your family, regardless what you choose to do. You can't decide, and they're all screaming, why won't you? I'll start the engine, but I can't take this ride for you. I'll draw your bath and I'll load your gun, but I hope so bad that you'll bathe and run.